My favourite way to serve halloumi is the traditional way, which is just fried in a pan with honey, a little bit of lemon and oregano. But I want to show you how versatile this fantastic cheese is. I'm going to use it as a filling for a delicious pita pocket. So I'm going to be using a Greek-style pita today, but you could also use some Lebanese bread. And for the slaw, I've got some cabbage. I'm just using some wombok. It's a real mix of flavours here because I'm also going to be using some mango chutney with the halloumi, but these flavours really work well together. So crunchy cabbage, finely shred it. That should be enough. And we'll add that to the bowl. I've also pre-julienned some cucumber and some carrot, just a handful each in there, and some coriander. So I'm just going to pick the leaves off. They're going to almost act like a lettuce leaf in here. So I'll just pull them off, no need to chop them whatsoever. Okay, now that I've added our coriander, we need to dress this. So just some lemon juice, a good squeeze over the top, and I'll need some olive oil and some salt. So a pinch of salt, and I'm just gonna pop that straight over the top, and some extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm not going to mix it yet, I'm just going to leave it sit there, and at the very last minute we'll toss it because I want it to keep quite crunchy. For our yogurt sauce, again, very simple. I have some Greek style yogurt. I'll grab a microplane, so just a fine grater, and we're going to mince in some garlic. I don't want big chunks of garlic in this. About half a clove because it's quite sharp in flavour. To that, another squeeze of lemon juice and some salt. So a little pinch of salt, and we'll give that another stir. Okay, so these two components are ready to go. Let's get on with the halloumi. I've just been preheating my pan. You want it to be medium to high, not too hot because it'll burn the outside and you won't get the warmth in the centre. So halloumi is renowned because it holds its shape as it cooks. It's got a high melting point. So I'm going to cut it in half to start with, and then cut it in half again. I kind of want big chunks of halloumi. And I have dried it. You don't want water on it, so just pat it with some paper toweling, okay? We're going to add some oil to our pan. Just drizzle that around. And then we're going to add our halloumi, good sizzle. And because you can see we've got quite chunky sides, I'm just going to focus on making sure we get a lovely caramelisation on all sides. You do want that heat to go through, so we want it super golden on the outside and soft and squeaky in the centre. So I'm going to give it about a minute on each side, then I'm going to add the mango chutney. All right, we've got good colour on all sides, so we've just got some mango chutney, and it's the contrast of the salty cheese with the sweet mango chutney, and this is going to glaze our beautiful halloumi. See how it melts in straight away? And so I'm just going to grab each piece of halloumi and just really coat it so it starts to glisten all over. And then I'm going to turn the heat off straight away after we've got some lovely colour on that. Okay. Let's start filling our pita pockets. Just cut that in half because it's quite a large one. And we'll just carefully open it up. Fantastic, look at that, lovely and fluffy inside. We'll start with our yoghurt sauce. So a big dollop of yoghurt sauce inside. I like lots of that. And our salad, we're just going to toss everything together. Just really coating it in that lemon juice. Grab some tongs. And we'll just fill it up. You can be quite generous with the crunchy salad just so it really sits up nicely. Get even amount of that cabbage and that coriander. Okay, and over to the halloumi. We're going to take a few of these batons and just fill that up in our gorgeous pita. And this just shows how versatile halloumi is. something like this, you would use chicken, but why not halloumi? It holds its shape and it's super delicious. Look at that. That's a fantastic dinner done in 15 minutes using halloumi.